YouTube? D4G here. I'm getting that apple note up top. I am getting some bergamot mixture in there as well. Fam, I didn't even have to use a tester strip when damn, this shit is strong. Bruh. Ha! YouTube, D4G here, banging out another video, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's First Impression Friday. I got a package in the mail. Y'all know what time it is, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. So before we get started, gotta give a shout out to all my new subscribers, man. Welcome. If you're new, over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you, man. So today I got a package from Joma's shop, man. I ain't gonna lie, this package got here a lot faster than I was expected. I have heard some people talk about this fragrance. I want to say the first person I heard talk about this was my guy Post over at Post Cologne, man. So make sure y'all check him out. But this one, I've had my eye on for some time now, and I'm glad to be able to bring this one out, man. We are talking about Hayaati, man. I cannot pronounce this at all. Hayaati, man. We talking about Hayaati. I don't know, bro. Let's just get into the fragrance, cause that's all we really care about, man. I might have to learn the name a little bit later, but as of now, we just gonna. I don't know what we're gonna call this thing, to be honest, man. But we got a nice. Let's check out presentation real quick. Got a nice box, man. Nice little Lattafa box. This might be a stand, so we might have to hold on to this, cause you know we like the Middle Eastern presentations, but nothing on just Hayaati. Man, that's what we gonna call Hayaati, man. I don't know, bro. Somebody let me know down in the comment section the best way to pronounce this. But dope presentation. Let's see what it look like when we open it up. Damn, this thing snugged. Okay, not bad, not bad. Mine came a little moved around a little bit, but it stands up nice like that. Okay, I'm rocking with that. Let's see, man. All right, so the bottle here just got a regular black bottle. Kind of reminds me of Afnan 9 p.m. in a way. Just a little bit more body on it. Not bad. Not bad. This is an eau de parfum concentration, and this was under that BOB price range. I want to say I found this one for like 18 bucks, man, somewhere around there. We'll have a link in the description. That way, if y'all do want to check it out, I'm gonna have it down there with the best price. But let's go ahead and get into this first impression. I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. Let's see what we got. Now, I know I say this a lot, but you already know what to do whenever you get a new Middle Eastern fragrance. Spray it up, spray that bit up, get that alcohol up out of there, man. You gotta spray it up a little bit. Oh, man, hold on, bruh. I might need to start looking at the notes of these things damn, this shit is strong. Bruh, I don't even think I need a tester strip, fam. This bitch so strong. I already know what it smells like, man. I need to really start reading the notes on these, because some of these are smelling oh so familiar. Oh, so like I think I have 2 or 3 bottles that smells just like this one, and I'm not complaining because this is a phenomenal scent. But I got so many of these, and there's so many other ones that I be wanting to try. I need to just go ahead and get some of those to try. But just so y'all can see the atomizer, it's not a bad atomizer, man. You get a nice, good spray out of it. Not bad at all. I like it. It's not pressurized, but it gives a great spray for a Lattafa fragrance. So I do rock with that A+ on the spray. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just keep it a stack with y'all. This reminds me so much of Invictus Aqua 2018, Hawas, El Cilio, Bayar Mauve. This is definitely a Hawas clone, whatever you want to call it. This is but it's along those exact lines of Hawas. I'm getting that apple note up top. I am getting some bergamot mixture in there as well. Damn, man, I'm not disappointed at all. I am happy that I was able to pick this up. I just didn't know that this was gonna be exactly like Hawas, fam. Like, this is kind of tripping me out a little bit. This might be a shorter video than I thought. But this bitch is good though, man. It does have a lot more body than Najdia. That's another one. That's another Hawas clone twist. This one definitely has more body than what Najdia had. Hell, honestly, as far as the opening and how loud it is, this is along the same lines of Hawas. Personally, this might be a little bit stronger than Hawas. Just from first impression though. So I am going to have to work this and see what it's like when I actually wear it. But in the initial opening, man, just automatically apple, bergamot. It sort of has like a spiciness to it, not a harsh spiciness, kind of like along the lines of a cinnamon type spicy note up top. Let's see what the note breakdown is. Let me grab my phone real quick so I can get the note breakdown and let y'all know exactly what this has in it. Alright, so I got the notes right here. This is listed as a woody aromatic fragrance, and up top we have apple and bergamot. In the mid, we have cinnamon and woodsy notes. I'm not getting too much of the woodsy notes. I wonder is that gonna come out a lot more in the dry down. Initial opening, the only thing I got was apple, bergamot, and I definitely got some type of spice, and I felt it was along the lines of a cinnamon spice. Nothing like a pink pepper, black pepper, nothing like that at all. This is nice, man. This is nice. This is very nice. And then in the base, we have musk and vanilla. Damn, I kind of want to know what that's going to smell like once that vanilla dries down a little bit, because that might be something I fucks with, because I don't know if I pick up too much of vanilla in Hawas or Najdia. I don't know. I could be wrong. The opening is the main thing that sticks out to me in those two. And that's really what I'm getting from this, the same style opening from that apple, bergamot, mixed with that cinnamon spice combo. But to see this dry down to a woodsy vanilla dry down, I am kind of eager to know what that's going to be like. But our first impressions, this is definitely a banger, man. This is definitely a banger. I'm curious to know how it's going to project as far as sillage and overall projection scent bubble. The way I just sprayed this in my area, this shit is loud, fam. I didn't even have to use a tester strip, and even now I still don't have to use a tester strip. I'm getting great whiffs of it. This is a nice fragrance, man. This might call for a fragrance battle between this one and Hawaii. I might have to see which one is better, because I really am enjoying the opening in this. Yeah, this is a dope pickup, man. I'm rocking with this. I am going to have a link in the description just in case if anybody want to check this out. But I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know right now. This is along the same lines of Najdia, Hawas, and Big Desaco 2016-18. So if that's something that y'all want to check out, make sure y'all click the link in the description. I'm going to have the best price down there. That way, if you want to get it, you know your boy D4G got your back, man. I'm going to make sure I have the best price down there for y'all. And if you have this in your collection and you smelled it before, let me know what y'all think. Is this something that y'all pick up along the same lines of Hawas? And the main thing I want to know is the overall performance, projection, sillage. Which one is better in y'all opinion? Drop it down in the comment section. Y'all know I'm eager to hear y'all thoughts. But with all that being said, man, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Ha! We out.